Now see, I've run out of room to hold this. Great tip. Come in with a little post-it note. Pop it on the back and you can use that as your tab to move this around. Such a great tip and so handy. Now this lay's a bit snazzy. So we've peeled that off. Okay. Then pull. Right. Now the sticker part's on there. Turn our little fella over and take back this white piece. And then you can see exactly where that is. Line that up and hover and go straight down. And that is ready to go. I'll simply put my fingernail under there and peel him off. So take the label at the bottom, which doesn't have anything on it. Open up your ink pad and you'll notice there's a little tray here, little clear, nothing there. So what you can do, you can put your little label in there. That way, if you've got lots open on your desk, you'll know, oh yeah, that's green. Is it blue, green, purple? It's green. Okay, other little handy tips. If it is a bit tough sliding because it's like fresh, what you can do is take a birthday candle, like happy birthday to your new ink pad, and just grab it and run it along the tracks here. Just like so. And then just give it a few slides. So you can just give it just so that it's all ready. It's ready to go. Don't forget to store them upright and you won't have any dramas. Stamp time with Miss Jane. Now, I did mention that it's been a while since I've used the Magenta Madness ink pad. Now, can you see this stamped image here where you cannot see these whitey strips? That was because the ink pad was just too juicy. So I took my spoon, opened up the ink pad, and I smooshed it all down. Okay, smooshed it down, and look, such a better image that we get out of that. Okay, I'm going to be putting together with the poinsettia. If I get my pick your tool, take your pick tool and pop in my scoring styles part. Now if I take that and I rub in the center of this, can you see the leaves are popping up? Oh, that's a bit tricky. Now I'm going to do that with both of these. So that then I'm actually going to take my bone folder and just curl out the flowers, the leaves of the petals. That's what they are, aren't they? They're petals. Curl them over. So it just gives them a bit of dimension. Until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye.